Microsoft Access 2010 Advanced Data Types. Besides the general data types that Access provides, it also gives options for more advanced data types such as the OLE object. Let's say you would want to include a photo of a student. You would, from the data type drop-down, select OLE object. When you move to Datasheet view, you would have to move to the record and the specific field. When you right-click, you will have to move to Insert Object. Now, you select Create from File and go and fetch the picture where it was stored. Once you click on OK, Access will provide you with a direct link to this picture. When you double-click now on the field, the picture will automatically open. Other data types available in Access would be hyperlink as well as attachment. Hyperlink would be a document that you would link the path to. For example, if there are notes about a student in a Word document, you would create a hyperlink data type and link the document to the database. Alternatively, you can include an attachment which would take you to, for example, a scanned document about the student. Now I'm going to show you how to create the lookup data type. If you go to Datasheet view, you will see that the grade field consists of 5 options: 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. For validation purposes, you would want to give the user a drop-down option to exclude the possibility of mistakes. This is how you do it. Move to Design view. Go to the selected field. In other words, in this case, it would be grade. When you look at the data type, you will see that it is text. When you click on the drop down, you would move to Lookup Wizard. A wizard will appear. You may choose to look up the values in a different table, but in this case I will type in the values that I want and click on Next. If you remember well, you'll remember that the values that were inserted in the grade column were 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Enter these values. When you click on Next, it will ask you whether you want the label to remain the same. In our case, we want the label to remain the same and we want it to be limited to the list. That means that no extra values can be inserted. When I click on Finish, the data type remains text, but when I move to Lookup, I will see that the values that I just entered in the lookup will be included. When I switch to the Datasheet view, now I will have a drop down that will include the values that I just entered. This minimizes the errors that can be created by the user.